Today I will talk to you and I will tell you something important. It can be change your life. I know some people they are very happy because they might have achieved something in 2025. Some people they are very sad because they might have lost something special. I am one of them. But I have also achieved something and it was very important for my life because of this. In this year I got opportunity and I'm working, I'm guiding student, I'm teaching. So I wanted to talk about something new things. The year changes every year. Whatever we make promise, some promise they are very strong and some promise they are very weaker. So today and tomorrow you will make lots of plan. You will design your 2026. I will do this, I will do that. Okay, I will achieve that things, I will achieve this thing. But with the time, that motivation will fall down. So today I am here to talk to you how you can maintain that balance. How you can keep yourself motivated entire 2026. So today you will promise with me something, and before promise, make sure that you will not break that promise. Your parents have expectation. You have dream. Your parents have same dream. They want you to become successful in your life. They have been waiting that moment. So let's promise together and we will work together to our entire life in 2026. So are you ready for making promise? So start your new year with the energy, motivation, dedication, and most important thing, sacrifice is also very important in our life. So you will repeat me and you will speak with the energy and feel the word. That is very important. Feel the words and feel the sentence. That is very important. Then you can make stronger desire for 2026. So speak with me. The year changes every year. The year changes every year.
The year changes every year,
But this year,
but this year
I will promise
I will promise
that
that
I will sacrifice my best thing.
I will sacrifice my best things.
I will sacrifice social media.
I will sacrifice social media.
I will sacrifice negative things
I will sacrifice negative things. I will sacrifice negative thoughts because
I know
I know
without sacrifice
without sacrifice
I cannot do anything.
I cannot do anything.
I procrastinate
I procrastinate
lots of things in 2025.
lots of things in 2025,
But I want to
but I want to
work on myself
work on myself
in 2026.
in 2026.
I will become disciplined.
I will become disciplined.
I will follow my rules
I will follow my rules
because
because
I want to achieve some things in New Year.
I want to achieve something in this new year.
I want to fulfill my desire.
I want to fulfill my desire.
I want to fulfill my parents' desire.
I want to fulfill my parents' desire.
So today,
So today,
I promise myself
I promise myself
I will work on
I
myself.
will work on myself.
I will focus on
I
myself.
will focus on myself.
Whatever I did in 2025,
Whatever I did in 2025,
it was wonderful.
it was wonderful.
It was something special.
It was something special.
But I promise
But I promise
I am going to do something special.
I am going to do something special.
I am going to change my entire life.
I want to change my entire life.
Because
This
year never will come back.
year never will come back.
I hope in 2026 you will not waste your time. You will utilize your time in right direction for growth, for success. If you really want to success in your life, most important things, you will have to sacrifice your best thing. You already know what is your best thing. It can be sleeping. It can be get up late in the morning. It can be using social media. It can be wasting your time. So you will have to sacrifice your things, and you will have to shift your mind negativity from positivity. So you will perform nicely. Whatever you have achieved in 2025, that experience will give lots of things in 2026. I know in the society, in the colony, there are few people who will motivate you, who will criticize you. There is a very good things. If you are growing in your life, so some are people, they jealous to you. You will have to ignore them. When I started my journey, some are people, they started criticize me. Some are people, they started demotivating me. But I did not care anything. I used to work on myself. Because of that, I am stand in front of you. If I give importance to them, I am sure 100% I was not here. But I did not care anything. I did not care any opinion. Because I know myself, who I am. So firstly, you will have to see in yourself who are you and why you are in this city. Your parents send you because your parents want you to become successful in your life. So ask yourself, what did you do in 2025 and what are you going to do in 2026? If you are going to do same things, whatever you have done, so result will be same. If you want to change that result, so you will have to change yourself and mindset, your timetable, your daily routine, so that all that things will change automatically.